Hi, this is Deepa. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will create setup for C++ using Visual Studio Code, extension used in Visual Studio Code, and MinGW w64 toolchain. So we need to install Visual Studio Code. So why Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is a lightweight and powerful source code editor that runs on Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux. Here is a link from where we can download Visual Studio Code, or just search for Visual Studio Code, download on the Google search. So we can click on this link. I have Windows 11 on my machine, so I will download Visual Studio Code for Windows. So click on this. Download has been started over here. Once the download is complete, install this application. Click on I accept, next, next, next. Select all checkboxes, click on next and install. It will take some time. Make sure you have selected this launch Visual Studio Code. So this will open Visual Studio Code for you for first time. Click on the finish button. This is the Visual Studio Code. We need to install C++ extension for Visual Studio Code. The second step is to install the extension. So go to the Visual Studio Code, click on these extensions, search for C++, and this first extension we need to install. This extension adds features like syntax, highlight, intelligence, and error checking. Yes, this is done. So we have completed the step second. Now the third step. We need to install MinGW w64 toolchain. It's free and open source software development environment. It contains libraries and C++ tools that needs to compile, debug our C++ code on our machine. So we need to install this. So link is given over here. So here we can see installing the MinGW w64 toolchain. Here is the direct link to install. All the steps are given over here. We can follow this or as I have given all these steps into the presentation as well. Yes, download is complete now. We can install this. Please copy this path. So we need it for later use. Click on next. Now the installation is finished. Please make sure you click on check run sys2 now and click on finish button. It will find the command prompt. Now we need to run this pacman command in the command prompt. We can copy from here or we can get it from the this website as well. Copy this. Just enter CS. Again, it will take some time to get installed everything. And finally, MinGW w64 toolchain installation is completed. Now we'll follow few steps after that as well. So we need to set environment variable. We'll show you the settings how to do that. We have, as I have told you, to copy the path while installation of this application. So go to this path. Basically, it's MSYS64. After that, you see RT64 bin folder. Okay, and then copy this path. Search here for environment variable. Okay, now click on this path, then click on edit. Check for the variable available. It's not there, so click on new. Paste the path which we have copied from there. Then click on OK. Okay. So this step is completed. Now we need to execute the commands in the command prompt. We need to check whether installation is completed or not. So this will give you the confirmation. Copy these commands. Go to the command prompt and paste these commands. So installation is completed successfully. The last step is setting in the Visual Studio Code. So we need to do the settings in search bar. We need to type this and select intelligence configurations. So I will show you how we can do that. In the search bar, this sign C/C++ intelligence configurations. Use C++exe. So this will help you to execute your codes. That's it. Thank you.